Looking for stamped cross-stitch kits? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 9 stamped cross-stitch kits available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect stamped cross-stitch kits for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Mater Full Range. The flower pattern in this cross-stitch kit is absolutely gorgeous. Full of color and different textures, it will be a wonder to work with, and the bright colors help you pick out the right cotton easier as well. The accurate pre-printed pattern is set onto high-quality cotton fabric, with the cotton being thicker than other embroidery kits, which allows it to last longer and have a more elegant look. The cotton fabric features an accurate pre-printed design as well as numbers, symbols, and DMC colors, which makes using this kit so easy. While it is a busy pattern printed on the fabric, the kit is still easy to use for beginners or those at an intermediate level. The clear and bright colors make for easy stitching. The tiny squares are each printed with bright colors and symbols, with each symbol corresponding to a cross-stitch thread color, which is listed on the bottom of the pattern. The pattern is printed on with water-soluble dye, so it is easy to wash away. When you have completed the pattern, just be sure not to get it wet before you are done. The kit includes a pre-printed embroidery cloth, 2 needles, enough thread and a handy description to follow. This kit is really one of the best out there, and you will love following the bright, easy-to-read pattern. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the printed cross-stitch kits. The pre-printed fabric measures 9 x 9 inches, which is a wonderful size for beginners who are looking for some easy practice. To make it even easier, there is pre-sorted thread cardboard and pre-printed cotton fabric with a high-definition graph, 2 needles, and very helpful instructions. With a beautiful sunflower pattern, the kit is suitable for both kids and adults. The accurate pre-printed pattern, numbers, symbols, and DMV colors make working with the printed pattern easy and enjoyable. 100% long staple cotton threads have beautiful colors and are durable and long-lasting. The pattern printed on the fabric is washed away by water, so wait until you have finished the pattern to wet it. You will need to use 3 strands for full stitches and 1 strand for back stitches, but this has been accommodated for with the amount of thread provided in the kit. Once finished, the cross-stitch project can be put into a frame and displayed proudly on the wall. At number 3 on our list, we have the Dimensions Needlepoint Kit. This needlepoint kit is a great choice for beginners and more experienced cross-stitchers. The kit includes Persian wool yarn, cotton embroidery thread, some beautiful gold metallic thread, a needle, size 12 mesh cotton canvas, and some useful instructions. When finished, the needlepoint project measures 5 x 5 inches, so it is a nice small size for practicing, but still giving you a beautiful piece of cross-stitch. The dreamy moon smiling among the clouds and stars in the night sky is perfect to hang up in a baby room or to add to a collection of cross-stitch patterns or even to stitch onto a pillow. This kit is also a good way to practice cross-stitching a whole piece of fabric, including the background, without it taking too long or being too overwhelming as it is a smaller size. At number 4 on our list, we have the Jack Dempsey Needle Art Stamped. These simple quilting blocks are perfect for beginners. The stamped patterns on the quilt blocks are clear and simple, making them incredibly easy to follow. The package contains 6 different white quilt blocks with stamped patterns, which measure 18 x 18. And a DMC floss chart which features easy-to-follow stitching instructions. The pattern printed on the quilting blocks is water-soluble, so it will wash out once you have finished the cross-stitch. The fabric is a 50/50 cotton and poly blend, making it easy to work with and durable. This is the perfect project if you have quite a bit of time to spare and want to make a beautiful cross-stitched quilted blanket with a little bit of help from the printed pattern. At number 5 on our list, we have the Mater cross-stitch kits. Mater has some smaller stamped cross-stitch kits for beginners as well. The finished pieces measure 12 x 12 inches and contain pre-sorted threads on cardboard to make it all a little easier as well. The 11 CT pre-printed cotton fabric is printed in high definition. The kit includes the pre-printed pattern, pre-sorted embroidery thread, 2 needles, instructions, and an after-sales service guide card. To prevent you from running out of thread halfway through your project, there is an extra 33% of thread included, above what you would need to finish the pattern. The 100% ecology floss thread has a brilliant color while still being soft and fine and durable to last a long time. The floss color will not fade over time, and it has a soft gloss finish to it. Stamped with a non-toxic and washable dye, the accurate pattern is washed away easily when put into water, so it is important to keep the fabric dry as you work with it. The 11 CT standard threads are composed of 6 strands, so you need to break them up into 2 3-strand threads before working. However, all of these instructions are included in the easy-to-follow guide. The pattern of the mouse and dandelion is just the sweetest illustration and will make a beautiful finished piece once done. At number 6 on our list, we have the Captain Crafts new cross-stitch kits. Captain Crafts has some stunning stamped cross-stitched patterns to offer, and if you are a lover of purple, this purple rose heart pattern is an absolute must. The embroidery kit includes the pre-sorted cotton thread, the cotton fabric, a needle, and English instructions. The stamped option is 11 CT and measures 40 x 35 centimeters. The 100% accurate pre-printed pattern means there is no need to draw any grids. For the needs of different crafters, the kit actually comes with an 11 CT stamped option or a 12 CT white fabric, so you can choose to follow the stamped pattern or go at it on your own. The stamped pattern should be soaked in warm water for up to 30 minutes once completed to remove the printed pattern. This stunning pattern is beautiful to work up, and the kit has everything you need to finish the project over a few days. At number 7 on our list, we have the full range of stamped cross-stitch kits. Beautiful coffee cups are stacked one on top of the other in this stamped cross-stitch kit, and it is a really fun and relaxing project to tackle. The 100% long staple cotton threads hold a brilliant color and last for a long time. The cross-stitch kit has a printed pattern on the canvas and is suitable for beginners and more experienced stitchers. The instructions are easy to follow, and the pattern is accurately printed to make following it a breeze. There are numbers, symbols and the DMC colors included to help you follow the cross-stitch easier and to make it a fun experience. 10% more of the needed cotton thread is included to make sure that you have enough to finish the pattern. The 100% combed cotton thickened fabric is environmentally friendly and does not contain any harmful chemicals. Once you have finished the project, you can place the fabric in warm water for 15 minutes to gently remove the printed pattern. Frame the pattern and hang this charming piece up in your kitchen or tea room and show off your incredible cross-stitching skill. At number 8 on our list, we have the Dimensions Learn a Craft Home. The stamped cross-stitch design from Dimensions Needlecraft is an ideal pattern to use to learn the classic art of cross-stitching. The kits contain everything a beginner might need to get cross-stitching, and the designs are simple and fun. The design in this kit is printed on white sailcloth fabric, set in a 6-inch embroidery hoop to make stitching and finishing much easier. There is also cotton thread, a needle, and simple instructions. Delicate wording on the fabric home is where the heart is surrounded by hearts of different patterns and colors, so it is great to use to practice your different stitches and how to change colors easily. The delicate wording and soft-colored hearts will look beautiful hung up in the house, or you could sew the finished fabric onto a pillow or other piece of fabric decor in your house. It also makes for a beautiful housewarming gift, sentimental as it is handmade by you. Learning to cross-stitch using a hoop is easier for many people, so it might be worth using this starter kit as one of your first cross-stitch projects to get used to it all. And finally, at number 9 on our list, we have the cross-stitch kits. His incredibly cute fox pattern is perfect for beginners who love a pop of color. It is an easy pattern and is a great way to complete your first project if you aren't ready to design your own pattern just yet. The kit includes 100% ecological cotton, which is long-lasting and has a brilliant color, 1 needle, high-quality cotton fabric that is stamped with the pattern instructions, and embroidery instructions. Grid lines on the cloth are easy to wash away once you have completed the project, but do not get the pattern wet before you have completed it, as the picture will wash away. The finished piece measures 11 x 15 inches and will look gorgeous hung up on the wall. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.